In today's video, we are going to show you how to reconcile multiple transactions in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, go on the top menu, click Accounting, and then click the Bank Accounts. Now, you will see all your connected bank accounts and click on the account that you wanted to reconcile transactions. In my case, that's going to be the Square balance. Then select Reconcile because this will take you to the bank reconciliation screen where all unreconciled transactions are listed. Now from here, now for each bank transactions, you will see two options: the create for entering a new transaction and find and match for matching existing invoices, bills, and payments. When reconciling multiple transactions, we usually use the find and match. I want you to click on it. Now a list of outstanding invoices or bills will appear. All I have to do is tick the checkbox of multiple invoices that match the total amount. Make sure the total at the bottom equals the bank transaction amount and click the reconcile. And that's it. Multiple invoices reconciled in one go. As you can see, all the reconciled transactions will be forwarded here. This works perfectly for bank charges, monthly subscriptions, repeating supplier payments, which is a huge time saver. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to record multiple transactions in Xero quickly and efficiently. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.